teenage girl bedroom design ideas. Whether you agree with it or not, nowadays teenagers are more fashionable and trendy than adults themselves. They have a unique taste with styles and designs. Hence, if you are a parent having teenagers in the house, especially girl teenagers, you should at least see these things through their perspective. Give them a chance to get involved with decorating and arranging their rooms. As we all know, girls are naturally picky and skeptical when it comes to choices. Bedrooms serve as their hiding venue when they feel like isolating themselves from the world of demands and pressures. Being emotional and sensitive at their age, they usually spend more time alone inside their room busy with their phones and touchy gadgets when they are not outside with friends. So perhaps, giving them a place more than a sleeping area would allow them to enjoy and get comfortable in their personal lives. Functionality should also be accompanied with the aesthetic and creativity in decorating a room. You may provide your girls with study area, shelves for their favorite stuff like magazines, and lounges for their friends. Trendy pictures of teenage girl bedroom. Do you still find these a bit complicated? A few examples of teenage girl bedrooms below might help you. Enjoy. Teenage girl bedroom with dreamy canopy bed. This room is a simple, plain-looking sleeping space touched with a few bright blue covers on the bedroom living sets and bed headboard. The floor is covered with grey rug while the wall in bluish-grey color. Teenage girl bedroom with purple patterns and silver accents. Girls just love purple. This bedroom is lush with purple curtains, lampshades and purple dashing pattern pillowcases and bed covers. The wall frame matches the purple theme too. While metallic silver ottomans, glaring pairs of bedside tables, soft bed, textured flooring and name-printed cushions do a great deal. Teenage girl bedroom with floral wallpaper. Floral decorated walls and pillows give color and life to this warm-colored bedroom with gray, black and white headboard, bed covers and pillowcases respectively. The ceiling and other wood vanities are gleaming in glossy finished woodworks. Blue teenage girl bedroom with dark wood floor. Isn't it a little warmer when it is all filled with wood touches alone? So here's an explosion of light blue-green on the walls, bench, and bed. Add up the complementing lampshade and pillows completing the bluish setting. Moreover, the shimmering silver cabinets and the hanging bubble chair are enticing on the corners. Teenage girl bedroom with pink and yellow rug. Teenagers love bold colors, which reflect their energy and style. No wonder why this bedroom stuns in colorful floor rug and blue walls. What inspires is the printed dedications on the upper wall and bed cover. Teenage girl bedroom with pink pendant lights. Neon colors are one of the first color choices for teenage girls. They often choose to wear bright pink, yellow or blue, and so does with their other stuff. Just take a look at this bedroom's walls, bed covers, desk, and chairs. Aren't they striking with colors? Even pillows, curtains, picture frame and the pendant lights are colorful. Teenage girl bedroom with white bedding. While some of the girls want to have a colorful bedroom, some just want a simple and plain-looking room, just like this one. White floor rug on the wooden floor, white bedding, and the like seem to satisfy the view. A few bright colors like the red pillows and items on the shelf, however, give an excellent contrast. Teenage girl bedroom with white furniture. Soft textured brownish floor rug and white vanities are added in this bedroom, while bright colored stuff like storage boxes and printed bed covers and pillows are adding to a livelier look. The blue wall does give a calm atmosphere on the other side. Bright and colorful teenage girl bedroom. Patterns and the color combinations of blue and red work beautifully in this setup, as these blends nicely with white bed covers, ceiling and walls. A uniquely designed leaf chandelier is spotted right up the ceiling along with the floral printed window curtains. Bright colors teenage girl bedroom with dark wood accents. This bedroom is quite an explosion of colors and functionality. The striped, multicolor floor rug gives color and warmth to the room, whereas the bed is with gradient design sheet and pillows. The colorful frames, purple study chairs with wide vanities, the bookshelf on the edge of the bed and an extra pull-out underneath it make this room both bright and comfortable. Bright pink teenage girl bedroom. A teenage girl obviously owns this bedroom because of the bright colored designs and patterns on the floor and walls. The full space of this bedroom is only occupied with a few vanities like the corner table, the soft cushion bed and bedside tables, which is perfect for friends on an overnight fun. Chic gray teenage girl bedroom. This bedroom is pleasant and elegant due to its dimly gray touches on the walls, headboard, curtains, bench, and bedding. The white vanities give it a bright highlight, though. Credits to the high-up bookshelves and window seat for the well-served functionality. Contemporary teenage girl bedroom. Hello Kitty and friends seem to sit comfortably in this pretty bedroom. The pink pillows and cushions add brightness to the white and gray combination of this room. The wooden floor is covered with crack pattern rug, and the walls and ceiling are painted in creamy white shades. Country teenage girl bedroom. This room is undeniably cool with the stunning bright blue colors. There is a pattern floor rug on the wooden floor, model bed cover with matching pillows and curtains, a few wood vanities and white shelving for stuff and an overhead shelf for displays. Eclectic teenage girl bedroom. Different shades of purple seem to dominate this bedroom's color scheme. Starting from the lightest purple on the walls, followed by the bed covers, curtains, blanket and the chair. A few addition of native vanities, ceiling fan, decorative dress form mannequin and lampshades are seen here too. Glamorous teenage girl bedroom with graphic accent wall. This is one satisfying look of elegance and style with its furry floor rug, dotted blue bed covers and pillows, bluish pattern walls, dark floor, decorative shelving and blue ceiling. The Love, Hug and Kisses board on the bedsides give an artsy addition. Glamorous teenage girl bedroom with pink bed. Isn't it the pink bed that highlights it all? It does stand out amongst the dark wall and stuff inside the bedroom. The floor rug is black as well as the wall, sofa, and a few pillows. Some of the things like the purple pillows and mounted items give extra colorful shades.